Florida is known worldwide for being a state of perpetual summer, and with that comes a great deal of lawn maintenance. This listing is for a lawn maintenance company that has operated out of Charlotte County for the last 23 years. The business's service area spans not only Charlotte County but also DeSoto and Sarasota counties. The business is currently achieving revenue just in excess of $100,000 a year, with an owner benefit a little over $48,000. The asking price on this business is $119,000, which includes over $58,000 worth of usable equipment. In this industry, your only limit is how many jobs you can take on, so the room for growth is tremendous. The business is currently home-based, allowing for easy relocation under a new buyer. Currently, the equipment is stored on a 6.5-acre lot available for sale separately. The business is fully equipped and ready to get started immediately, eliminating the time and cost of setting up a brand new operation. If you think that this could be the right business opportunity for you, give us a call or send us an email, and we will be very happy to speak with you and provide further details. Thank you.